It turned out to be a beautiful day after the storms that we've been having. Except this big tree in our yard came down. So we spent this day cleaning up and gathering all of the logs and stuff and stacking them neatly away. The animals also spent a nice day in the sun. They loved their nice big yard, all the new baby chickens. They were out today too. The house kind of torn down a little bit yesterday because, well, it's been raining a lot lately. So one of the protective cardboards that we put up got ripped off. Hả? Ba tụ lọ. Say hello to the doggos. Harper and Kona. Harper is the white one, Kona is the brown one. And that's our makeshift house that we kind of made for them because after buying this house, I needed to recoup big time, so I didn't have any kind of money. And that's it. All cleaned up, y'all. Thank you for watching. We will update next time.